May mga araw ba na parang mahina yung faith mo? Yung parang very drained ka spiritually. Sabi sa Isaiah 40:29-31, He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. Alam mo yung very comforting dito? Si Lord na mismo ang magbibigay ng lakas at hindi ikaw. Kaya minsan okay lang na maging weak. Okay lang din na mapagod. Okay lang din na mawala ng energy. May mga araw na ayaw mo mag-pray, ayaw mo magbasa ng Bible, feeling mo wala kang energy spiritually. Pero ito yung totoo. God doesn't wait for you to be strong. He strengthens you even when you're weak. Yung renew their strength, ang ibig sabihin nun, ibabalik niya yung fire na nawala sa puso mo. So, kung spiritually dry ka today, go back to Him. Siya ang magpupuno ulit ng init ng faith mo para sa Kanya. All you have to do, ask Him to fill you up again.